Good morning. It's Saturday, cold Saturday of January, and as you can see the bike is ready because I am going to a trip to Agnellotreffen. As you can see, I've been in the 2023 winter edition, the ninth winter edition. Every year is a winter edition, and it has been 2 years. Last year I didn't go. This year I am going. Everything is prepared. I just have to get dressed, the final part, and we're ready to go. Little stop for gasoline. My fingers were very numb. I couldn't feel anything. Don't know why. But we press on. Here we are at the Agnellotreffen. I arrived some hours ago. I decided to put my tent here, and this is our zone with all the people that I already know. I want to show you where I put my bike. Here we are. Wait, the DesertX parked here. Here we have the woods, 3 fires with already some meat for dinner. And I'm gonna show you around the place. People come from the Europe to this event, as you can see. Look, this guy is from Germany, and I've already found some people who are from Bulgaria. Attenzione, Italia-Germania 2006.
Com'è che era Pana? No, Pana? Com'è che era? È un mortorio. Ma raga, non ce l'abbiamo mica.
Si fanno sentire, Oh, la polenta.
Butta un po' di pollentone.
Suona Pana, suonaci qualcosa!
Oh, Veronica cazzo! No, cazzo di Veronica! Non l'ha attaccata al telefono in carica. Ah, Marta, ma te stai arrabbiando? C'avevo un ripostiglio.
Ha comprato un appartamento apposta per
No, io c'avevo un ripostiglio di fianco al cesso.
non avete capito un cazzo.
Diciamo che è una moto un po'. So che è romantico, però.
Midnight, everybody's still outside. But I decided to go to sleep early today because I want to wake up early tomorrow and hit the road. I also had to prepare my tent, which is not in its best condition, but it's okay. Now I'm going to call my girlfriend, watch a little bit of Instagram, the usual stuff, and then I'm going to sleep. Guys, I think we have a problem. There is no... This is not good. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Sai che bello uscire di qua con le moto, mamma mia. Hello everyone, I just want to say a couple of things before wrapping up the video. It's been a long time since I last uploaded. I know the video was supposed to come up in January or February, but since then a lot of stuff has been happening. I really didn't have the time and the motivation to put up this video, but things are getting better. I found out some new time for the YouTube channel. I hope I will be uploading more frequently, and I just wanna give you an update on the upcoming event for all of you that are in Italy or in Austria and you wanna come see us if there is time and space, because we are almost completely booked, if not completely booked. It's the Agnellotreffen. I've been there last year. It's organized by my friends that you always see in this channel, like Strange Biker, Stefano, Mattia, all these awesome guys. Thank you so much for organizing this beautiful event. And I just want to say that the bike is, well, okay-ish, as always. It has a lot of problems starting in the cold. I decided to swap the battery again. I put back the lithium battery. Today I wanna, obviously, as you can see, wash it because it's really dirty. And another problem that the bike has was the quick shifter that had to be replaced, thankfully on warranty again. I'm gonna make a full video talking about the problems that this bike has. I'm not gonna talk it here, just wanna say thank you so much for watching. If you like, maybe considering subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next video.